Hi.
Hi,
How
hello
are you?
ma'am. How are you?
The price, what will be for the Morpheus?
Morpheus for what area you're looking for?
The thighs I was given 29, so you've increased it on the WhatsApp, then I can't. You have to give me what I have agreed for, no? So on the WhatsApp, you gave me something.
Let me check, please.
Yeah, because this is what I was told. See, this is just 3 months back. This is what I was told, and I've paid this much. It was thighs only. So I have to pin with me.
It's 32,900 plus the tip.
So tip I have.
Tip you on, na? So 32,900. This
Then
how
why
much
have
they've
you?
given?
They have given me a discounted rate, no? 29,899.
That was the old price, I believe. They've
How
given.
have they increased? In 3 months they've increased the price.
In the month they've increased.
Why?
In the month of November only.
Just like that?
Yeah, I believe yeah, they were.
Can I just check the file?
Absolutely.
So then I will do half back.
Okay.
Yeah? Single session.
Half back.
Half full thighs. You don't have half thighs?
No, this is only full size. This is back.
No,
Not
okay, no.
thighs.
I just want to do. This is like, trapping a customer, saying that you need to do Morpheus because that's the way it works for your cellulite, and then increasing the price in 3 months.
No, nothing as
No,
such. They
no,
recently
this is like,
changed.
this is a business strategy, but then that's okay. This is a business strategy.
But they
because
recently actually changed the price, ma'am. It's
No.
not like they were continuously
so,
changing
so
the
how
price.
many months you increase the price?
No, it's not like months. I believe it's been years now. They've not increased. I mean, there weren't any revised prices.
So this is the price since how many years?
After 3 years, you can say. They've
After
revised
3
the
years.
prices now only.
After 3 years.
Recently, yes.
No, but there has to be a duration, no? Because the increment in any job happens after a year, after 2 years, after 3 years. Because these are machine-based programs.
Right.
They are not skill-based program.
Right.
They are not a human skill
Understood.
procedure.
Understood.
It's a machine procedure. So the
Correct.
machine is remaining stagnant. Whoever just has to use it. Has to be qualified.
Of course.
But fine. You have the person for the Morpheus. Who is it? Dr. Madhu? Who is
Dr.
it?
Madhu is not there today.
Then who's there?
They blocked an appointment for you, kya?
Obviously, otherwise I wouldn't come. There's a face bleach and a Morpheus.
I'll just check with Anita because I can't see anything.
Yeah, you can't see anything on the screen?
Yeah, I mean, the internet's not working right now.
Awesome. And I was like, yeah, I'm running late.
You want to have some tea, coffee, ma'am?
I will have. I'll sit. Can I sit?
Yeah. Please sit, ma'am.
Because my face bleach is pending of last time. Yes, because of the facial I had come. ठीक है मॉर्फेस करने में आई तो मतलब प्राइस पहले से पूछ लूँ बिकॉज करने के बाद नहीं पूछने का दैट वाज जस्ट अ थॉट एंड लुक एट दिस गुड नो
Yeah, actually it is.
because it's not a matter of 1,000 2,000 it is being caught off guard.
Yeah. Yeah, we can understand. As a layman, it's a difficult thing
Yeah.
to digest because we go there and we take some different prices. We have that mindset.
We have a budget.
Exactly.
And then everybody wants to look pretty. See, I can remove money, but then if everybody is coming here, you have a lot of walk-in crowd coming in. You also have to understand they all have budgets. So if you're increasing price, just
Everybody has it.
yes,
No matter how rich you are, but money is money in the end.
yeah, it's not a free trip.
Yeah, actually.
So let them figure it out. I think Anita is doing.
Okay.
That's what the message says on WhatsApp.
Yes.
बोलो.
किसके साथ? शानवी सांता क्रूज में है, मैं लोखंडवाला में हूँ. ये सब मैं मेरे को बाद में बताओगे प्लीज. मेरे को बाद में बताओगे प्लीज, एक टाइम पे एक क्वेरी सॉल्व करो. थैंक यू.
So so who's doing it? You don't have any idea.
I mean, I can't see your appointment on your work. That's the reason I'm checking.
Lovely. I'll show you.
Yes, please.
This is appointment number. This is Wednesday today.
Today's Tuesday.
Lovely. Awesome.
I
Bye.
think we'll talk to you tomorrow.
Awesome. Okay.
Yes, it's there tomorrow now.
I am at fault. Lovely. It's my fault.
So sorry.
No, that's okay. So now
Today, Dr. Madhu is also not there, and his girl is also not there for the mock test.
no, that's okay. Then forget morphers. The face bleach you do. That is normal. I'll just do the face
No
bleach.
problem. The face bleach was there.
Anybody can do. Yeah.
Anita's there.
Do you have Venus Legacy? No.
Let's see. Let me see. I only have like 45 minutes in which I believe she'll be able to do a face bleach. It didn't change.
चलेगा. So just do. हाँ.
I'll just call.
So today is Tuesday. So this one doesn't come here, Harshna.
No, she comes alternate Tuesdays.
Ah, great. I'm also coordinating so many things now.
It's okay, ma'am, it happens. Because at the same time, when you have so many things going on in your mind, so वो figure out करना बहुत difficult हो जाता है.
कि कहाँ पे क्या करना है.
Actually.
ठीक है, मैं ब्लीच करा के चली जाऊंगी कॉफी पी के.
And tomorrow then you come.
Yeah, then I'll come. No problem for the mock quiz. क्योंकि क्या है, आई एम सो पर्टिकुलर अबाउट टाइम्स ना कि मैं खुद ही कभी कभार डेट्स में गड़बड़ करती. लास्ट टाइम भी मैं एजलेस हर्षना का एंड आई केम हियर टू द सेंटा क्रूज. So I was like, and then I was going from here. They said, you know, she's busy. I was like, okay, thanks.
Please
Come. Okay. Thank you, Nikita. Thank you.
I just spilled the coffee on my uniform, so just.
Yeah, that's okay. अनीता, मैंने गड़बड़ हो गया.
हाँ.
यहाँ पे कर रही है?
नहीं, फोटो ले.
फोटो ले रही है.
आपको ऑफिस तो कंफर्म करो कल का.
हाँ, वो तो कल का. हाँ, वो तो चुको कर. मेरी गलती है ना, मैं आ जाए.
मेरे पास होते डॉक्टर मधु में दे दो. नॉर्मल में ले लो, जनक नीचे.
नॉर्मल जो फेस ब्लीच बाकी था ना उससे पहले, तो मैं फेस ब्लीच के साथ मॉर्फस करने वाली थी, पर मेरा डेट कल का है.
Okay.
मैं कुछ तो करके जाऊँ.
कैप निकाल दे रहा है बस 2 मिनट.
मेरे पास टाइम है तो मुझे खाली वो ऑक्सीब्लास्ट दे सकती है ब्लीच के बाद, अगर आपके पास टाइम है. हाँ. मैं क्या सोच रही हूँ, खाली ऊपर का ही करती हूँ ना.
हाँ.
नीचे का तो कुछ है नहीं.